Enviro-Tech Inc., or CETI, is in business to protect the environment as it pertains to oil, sludge, water, and soil remediation. To further that mission, CETI has the solution to substantially reduce or even eliminate hazardous waste and contaminating metals from oil, profitably turning dangerous waste into saleable oil and environmentally sustainable materials. Sludge, a byproduct that comes from the production of oil, might not be on the radar of the general public, but if not handled or disposed of properly, can become a danger and a threat to the environment. For example, in 2023, the United States produced over 4.5 billion barrels of oil, which also generated a waste product of approximately 45 million barrels. This sludge contains deadly contaminants, which can cost upwards of $30 per barrel to remediate or dispose of. To address this problem, CETI has created a Total Waste Solution, or TWS. Our TWS uses proprietary equipment in conjunction with their environmentally safe biochemical solutions to convert up to 80% of the contaminated oil and waste byproducts into saleable oil. In other words, what once was considered hazardous waste and expensive to remove has now been turned into an environmentally safe, valuable, and lucrative product. Let me briefly explain how we do this and some of the associated technologies used in the process. Our customizable process begins with testing the waste, since contaminants can vary from customer to customer. These contaminants might include high iron sulfide and sulfur content, elevated metal levels, corrosiveness, and a number of other non-refinable issues. Once the reject oil, or sludge, has been separated, the focus shifts to evaluating and addressing the accumulated mixtures of asphaltenes, paraffin, dirt, sand, mud, and other undesirable substances, as well as the separation and purification of contaminated water. Utilizing frac tanks and multiple treatment stages, CETI begins the decontamination process. Our approach emphasizes minimal chemical usage, biodegradable biochemistry, electrohydrolysis, and energy efficiency for sustainability. Breaking down the oil involves a separator coupled with an electro-oxidation process that effectively oxidizes numerous contaminants. To enhance the electrical reaction process, we employ circulating electrocatalysts and a biodegradable emulsion breaker. In natural settings, sulfur naturally binds to oil and brine along with other elements. Most of these bound elements must be eliminated to render the oil usable. Lighter bound elements can be mechanically influenced, while heavier elements typically require chemical treatments, heat application, agitation, centrifugation, or a combination thereof. After the process of evaluating the sludge, breaking down and eliminating contaminants, separating water, and fully treating the sludge to extract the maximum amount of saleable oil, the process is almost complete. The separated water undergoes an entire proprietary treatment process to return that water to the level of decontamination required for each situation, even returning to potability if needed. The outcome of this comprehensive total waste solution is clean oil, purified water, and a 3 to 5% neutralized standard waste product. As for the oil companies, we are removing a serious environmental threat along with the associated liabilities, reducing their remediation costs and turning it into an additional revenue stream. It's a waste to waste your waste.